Hey, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess that's my confession.
I've always been told that I'm too small, I'm not big enough, I'm not fast enough. I don't have what it takes to be the best and stay there. Sweat is necessary. Walter and Jerry had their heels, never being comfortable with just good enough.
It's right now or never! It's right now or never!
I prepare so no one can take what is mine. No one can replace my mind, my heart. Lombardi inspired me. And now our biggest prize bears his name. I'm older. Of course I'm older. That's the beauty of it. 16 years plus. A different level of wisdom, different level of understanding, different level of punishment. I want to live long after my records have fallen, long after my rings have tarnished. And whatever you got to do to make sure you chase your legacy every second of your life. Will you be remembered? How would you be remembered? Why wouldn't you fight for the greatest achievement ever? Leave your mark.
As a child, you would wait and watch from far away, but you always knew that you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night and scheme of all the things that you would change, but it was just a dream. Here we are, don't turn away now. We are the warriors that built this town. Here we are, don't turn away now. We are the warriors that built this town. The time will come when you have to rise above the rest and prove yourself. Your spirit never dies. Farewell, I've gone to take my throne above, but don't weep for me, 'cause this will be the labor of my love. Here we are, don't turn away now. We are the warriors that built this town. Here we are, don't turn away now. We are the warriors that built this town.
lettuce sandwich. The coupe is tinted. She thought it was rented. I want it, I'ma spend it. Live my life with no limits. I'ma do the damage. I'ma do the damage. I'ma do the damage. Bitch, I'ma do the damage. No, I'ma do the damage. Just know I'm taking credit. I said it, then I meant it. Man, cause I'm so related. You wanna hang with a rock star, live a fast life and get high. We gon' come through, shut the block down, make them lay low like drive-bys. I don't fuck with them, they don't fuck with me. It gets to the head, but not mine. I'm my own man, don't need no hands. Who gon' switch on me and change sides? Whoa. It's lit, milk the game like a tit. I put my bitch in red, now she gon' ride this dick. My gang, official, no you don't want this issue. Blast off hard like a missile, roll diamonds, these aren't crystal. Lil' shawty, go crazy, pull up in black Mercedes. Thank God my mama made me, boy you's a mama's baby. The throne was set for taking, I press reset on patience. The perks make her amazing, soak it up like a raisin. Wrist, dancing, sing your shit Titanic. My clique full of bandits, grind for that lettuce sandwich. The coupe is tinted, she thought it was rented. I want it, I'ma spend it. Live my life with no limits. I'ma do the damage. I'ma do the damage. I'ma do the damage. Bitch, I'ma do the damage. No, I'ma do the damage. Just know I'm taking credit. I said it, then I meant it. Man, cause I'm so related. Senorita, she a eater. My bitch a queen like Latifah. Roll 10 woods of that reefer. Smoke 𝐇𝐢𝐠𝐡𝐥𝐢𝐠𝐡𝐭. Got music blast through my speakers. In the game, you was on the bleachers. I don't text her back, I don't need her. When you really thought she was a keeper. Whoa, not sorry. Flexed out.